BBC presents Hungry Motherfucking Hamster. What the fuck you sniffing, boy? This nigga is on his way to get some pussy. His mama packed him some food. You can tell by the size of his cheeks. Not those cheeks, goddammit. Ain't this one crazy motherfucker? Just look at him. He be acting like he knows the streets. A fluffy little cook gang banger. You a blood or crip. It almost looks like he knows where he's going, but he's a pussy-ass cock-sucking dumbass nigga, and he's just running in circles. Now he's spotted the grave of his homie Johnson, and 'cause he a crip, he's about to stay to pay some respect. Now he's inspecting the place. What the fuck is he doing? He about to kill himself. Somebody help that nigga. Shit, it's too late now. Rest in peace, nigga.